Hello, everyone. I said I was going to do it, and I'm doing it. I'm starting to give this stuff away again. I mentioned it in a video here not too long ago, but I've got my stamps.com scale. I've got my stamps.com account. I package up some stuff, stick it in the mailbox. Postman can carry it off for me. They tell me it works for internationally, so we'll see. This giveaway is open to everyone. We're giving away 5 different quads. Let's go through those quads real quick. We've got the Gilang Lightning 120X. There are review videos on all these, so you don't have to get all that information here. You can always, go back on the channel and search for this stuff. This one is actually kind of an old one, the Ishin Twig HD. So, yeah, not too beat up. I really haven't flown it since the review. Just wasn't something that I found myself flying. This is the Meteor 75. It's a 1S variety here. Get the camera to focus a little bit instead of... Got the GEP-RC Sin Eye. A little Whoop that's got an HD camera inside. Of course, that's got a SD card. It records everything too, so that's all in there. And this one is the Gilang Anger 75 V2. This is not the HD version. This has the typical version. All these things, if I left their goodies in the box, you'll get the goodies that come in the box, except for the batteries. I don't ship batteries. That's always problematic because you got to mark anything with a battery with hazard materials, and then the shipping goes right up. I will cover the shipping costs up to $30 for your box. Hard for me to envision something this small weighing probably a pound with its box costing anywhere near $30. But got to protect myself. I don't know, shipping around the world, there could be some location where the shipping skyrockets and I can't necessarily afford to do that and continue to do this. So I will cover up to $30, and then after $30, it would be your responsibility to cover that rest of the bit. So how do you get involved? It's dead simple, dead easy. You go down in the comment section, you leave a comment, a funny joke, a saying, a riddle, a tale, what have you. I won't be responding to any of the comments because if you leave 2 comments, you're out of the giveaway. We use the random YouTube comment picker, and it tells us if there's more than 1 comment under that account, YouTube account. And so if it does find that, then make sure you don't respond to anyone else leaving a comment, even if it's funny or something of that nature. Don't have a conversation down there. I'm going over all this because it feels like it's been 10 months since I did a giveaway. My giveaways used to be pretty regular, but since this special time, I really wasn't up for going and standing in lines to ship stuff, but with stamps.com, and I got some help from you all, actually. I wish I had saved the comments of several people had mentioned stamps.com, and it went over my head. I'm a little thick sometimes, but eventually it dawned on me enough to where I went and checked it out, and sure, yeah, it seems like a very reasonable way, easy way to do it. Right from home. I don't have to go stand in line. If you want any information about these quads, again, there are review videos on all of them on the channel. You can go take a look at them. They should be all in working order, although I didn't get them out of the box and test them. When they were last flying, I put them in the box. So typically with that would mean it come back out of the box when it gets to you and it should be flying. But if something really strange were to happen, you're not out anything, I guess, other than the time it takes to leave the comment here on the video. It would be a very good idea, but not required, to hit that subscribe button because there will be a giveaway results video. And if I have any troubles reaching you via the comment section, that would be the only other way. After the results video is posted, you will only have 4 days. I'm not going to string these out too long. I've kind of been around the block a few times with these giveaways, and I think the onus needs to be on you to claim your winnings. If I let you know through the comment section that you've won, and for whatever reason your YouTube privacy settings are too tight or anything, or you don't check your email tied to that YouTube account, and you don't ever get in contact with me, you only got 4 days. And it goes into the stack and probably in the next giveaway. So notification bell would probably be a good idea. Subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. I know YouTube can wreak havoc with those things. I hear it all the time. People say, I was wondering what happened to all your content, and then I looked for you, and sure enough, there's all the content, but somehow I got unsubscribed. That stinks, but neither one of us can control that. So get down there in the comment section, leave your comment, and then here in 1 week, we'll give everybody a week, and we'll do our results video. I'll do a screen recording of the random YouTube comment picker, and you'll get to see the 5 winners and the 5 comments that they've left. I never know how to wrap up a giveaway, so I'll just wish everybody good luck. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.